How's the market? November 17th, 2020. I feel a little like Jimmy Kimmel here, in Times Square, but I digress. So for Hoboken, we're looking at 351 condos actively on the market right now. That includes 35 in the last week and about 106 over the last month. More importantly, what that really says is that about 70% of the condos have been on the market for more than a month. When your days on market of what's under contract is only 38 and 70% of the market has been on for more than a month, I would expect that days on market to grow significantly coming up. And now 38 days on market, if you think about what that means, 38 days from today puts you at December 25th. 38 days, December 25th. I think that days on market is certainly going to go higher than 38. The slowest time typically of the year is roughly about the week before Thanksgiving through the second or third week in January. And depending on the weather, it can be the second week of February. So look for that days on market to start to creep up. The under contracts in the last 30 days were 72, which puts us at about 5 months of inventory in Hoboken. And the solds in the last 30 days were 66, which is saying that's kind of the tail end of the new spring market. But if you think about that, only 66 sold, and you look at 72 under contract, that's starting to flatten out where you're really looking at 5.5 months of inventory. And the discount on those 66 that were sold, there was a 3.3% discount, which is starting to be significant based on what's there. In Jersey City, you have 319 condos on the market, 21 in the last 7 days, and 78 in the past 30 days. That means for Jersey City, almost 76% of all the condos have been there a month or more, and their days on market are 50. That's 50 days on market right now for the homes that sold, 51 homes that went under contract in the last 30 days. Again, 50 days from now puts you right in that first week of January. I look for that 50-day number to continue to increase as we go forward. There were 47 sold in the past 30 days, and that really puts you at about 6+ months of inventory here for almost 7 months of inventory, in Jersey City, which is definitely really getting onto the buyer's end of the market, even though the discount for what was sold was only 1.3% rather. So a little bit less of a discount. Maybe they started at a lower price or they had some price reductions before, but you're really looking at the inventory starting to creep up in both Hoboken, Jersey City, days on the market creeping up, just as I predicted, as we're heading into winter, that you're going to start to see that slow down. And it may be that some folks are going to take their homes off the market come the next few weeks, and so the inventory levels will start to drop, and that will put your months of inventory back into some sort of equilibrium. But that's only until after the holidays, and then they're all going to jump back into the water. So this is Brian Murray with How's the Market, Hoboken, Jersey City, with some great information about what's happened and maybe some information about what you should expect in the next few weeks. Thanks.